Thanks to this notice on the television in Suite 1101 on the top floor of Trident Bandra Kurla Mumbai, Girl Ahead knows where she is. She's been deposited here because of a meeting coming up fairly soon. Well, starting in the bathroom, you look out at just a little bit of greenery, and you look out at modern Mumbai. That's the American Embassy with a cultural center behind it. There's more greenery. Trident's very practical. Look, you know where the hairdryer is. It tells you. You can see all the toiletries because they're out. Very practical indeed. Let's see if you can turn the shower on without getting wet. Yes, and the clear red button. And easy work, in-com aircon. Plenty of carpeting here to be able to do physical jerks and yoga. Golly, an enormous closet. Obviously people are intending to have very long meetings at the American Embassy, bringing lots of clothes with them. This is quite a big hotel. Over 300 rooms, very geared to Americans, American book prices current. Book of Literature, volumes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Goodness gracious, Britannica Encyclopedia. Yes, you're expected to need to fill in a lot of time here. And you're probably going to have meetings here too, since the dining table is set for 8. I think there's a kitchenette. Yes, there is. There's a guest bathroom. And there's somebody in the kitchenette. Okay, if you've got a meeting at the American Embassy in Bombay, this is your place.